Remove the gimbal clamp. Connect the remote controller to a mobile device. Ensure that the mobile device is connected to the internet. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Make sure that the drone's and remote controller's battery level is more than 50%. Launch DJI GO 4. The app will automatically detect the firmware version and new firmware update is available will be shown. Tap the notification to enter the update screen. Tap Download Now. The firmware will automatically download and then start updating. When Update Complete is shown, the firmware update is finished. If multiple flight batteries need to be updated, insert each additional battery into the aircraft and update separately. An inconsistent firmware found prompt will be shown when the battery is inserted. Slide the slider and the drone will automatically update the corresponding module. After the update is successful, restart the device. If the battery's level is lower than 50% or the device or internet disconnects, then the update may fail. Do not power off the aircraft during the update, and it is normal for the aircraft to restart automatically. Leave us a like if this video was useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.